Hello, everyone, and welcome to this full review of ChatGPT-4. ChatGPT-4 is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that is designed to be highly versatile and capable of performing a wide range of language tasks. In this video, we will be taking a close look at what ChatGPT-4 is capable of and how it can be used in different contexts. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT-4 can do. ChatGPT-4 is a language model that is capable of generating text in response to a wide range of inputs. This means that it can be used for tasks such as language translation, text summarization, text completion, and much more. Additionally, ChatGPT-4 is highly adaptable and can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as chatbot development, content generation, or natural language processing research. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT-4 is its ability to generate high-quality text that is indistinguishable from text written by a human. This makes it an excellent tool for content creation, where high-quality writing is critical. ChatGPT-4 can also be used for automated customer service and support, as well as chatbot development, where it can provide personalized responses to user queries. Another advantage of ChatGPT-4 is its flexibility. It can be used with a wide range of programming languages and platforms, including Python, Java, and C++. Additionally, it can be deployed in a variety of environments, including on-premises, in the cloud, or on mobile devices. This makes it an ideal tool for a wide range of applications, from small-scale projects to large-scale enterprise solutions. Overall, ChatGPT-4 is a powerful and versatile language model that offers a wide range of capabilities for text generation and natural language processing. Whether you're a content creator, a developer, or a researcher, ChatGPT-4 is an excellent tool that can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.